Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. Welcome to our employees, our distributors, and dealers around the world, our investors, the press, and others who have joined us on this momentous day. We may be in different locations and watching digitally to help keep everyone safe, but we are all together in spirit today. It has been a challenging year. The world continues to change around us, and we face difficult global economic conditions. But we know that change is constant. We cannot expect the world to stay the same or to wait for us to evolve. We have to be proactive. Today, we are here to see TYM's bright future, one that looks past the conditions of today to create a company built to last and built to succeed. Join me in welcoming Mr. Hee-Yong Kim, Chairman of TYM, to share our exciting developments with you.
Today is a brand new day for TYM. Every day that we wake up, come together, and join our colleagues at work. We bring our decades of expertise, knowledge, and commitment with us. We create an unstoppable team. We have worked together and create a company that has changed the way customers think about tractors. We have also changed the way thriving Korean business is defined. TYM creates an environment where each individual can contribute their unique talents to our continued evolution. So I would like to start by acknowledging the contributions of everyone at TYM who has helped make it happen. I'm thrilled to be here with all of you on this momentous day. I stand here with a great appreciation for the efforts of our TYM family, with a great pride in our history of enabling customers to overcome challenges, and with a great anticipation for where TYM will go. We've been down, kicked around, and took some heavy blows, but always got up and fought back. Some left us, but those who believed in TYM stayed and shared the glory that we face today.
폼, 펑션,
value.
새로운 TYM은 고객들에게 필요하신 제품과 서비스를 제공할 수 있는 회사가 되도록 노력을 하겠습니다.
Design
for your world.
Build, talk. Key to it is the people, loyal customers, our dealers, and most of all, TYM family.
I love TYM.
사랑해요 TYM.
This video captures the spirit of TYM and our people. You have inspired us all to collaborate and succeed together. You are our inspiration for TYM's future. TYM has a rich, successful 7 years legacy, and that is evident in the way in which we work and the quality of our machinery. We have learned a lot over these 7 years. TYM tractors are made to solve customers' challenges, built to navigate their terrain, manufactured to be tough, engineered to be productive, enhanced with advanced technology, designed to look exceptional, and made with the long-term value in mind. Our past 7 years is only the beginning, a preview of what is to come our next 70 years. It gives me great pleasure to share with you the effort of this year. Our management team has been hard at work, alongside global consultants and experts planning for our future. Today, we are here to bring in a brand new day for TYM. Let us walk forward into the future together. This is our new TYM brand. We have a new, simpler name. Our new brand is more than a new symbol, it represents the reason we exist and the future we're building together. Our new identity is modern, world-class, emblematic. The T symbolizes stability, upward momentum, and growth. The mark is evocative of the Korean tiger, projecting confidence and strength. And our new brand is built on a strong strategic purpose. We succeeded by creating machines that bring together form, function, and value, meeting customers' distinct needs as they shape their world. And our future is centered on empowering our customers to transform the land around them. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman Kim, for your inspiring words and for your leadership. And to add to your remarks, thank you everyone at TIM. Let's have a round of applause for the entire team. This has been an amazing journey, and the best is yet to come. Our chairman has shown us the foundation for a dramatic transformation for our businesses. Our customers seek new opportunities as they shape their world, and so we have evolved the way we create tractors. More capable, more technologically advanced, more versatile. In the same way, we are advancing how we interact with all of our stakeholders. We are forming closer, more meaningful relationship with our customers. We are creating new ways to strengthen our sales and marketing team. Our employees who are hard at work showing customers why TYM is the right choice. And we are engaging better with the distributors and dealers around the world. The people that interact with TIM owners and operators the most. The initiatives are coming to life today as a series of new digital platforms. The TYM has a brand new website, and our first phase launches today with more functionality and areas to explore coming soon. We have a new customer-centric approach to the contents across the entire site. An intuitive user interface and easy-to-navigate structure, and bold modern design that is built on our new brand identity. This new website will help us to communicate more directly with customer by identifying potential buyers and connecting them to the dealer. The website also introduced new ways to support our distributors and dealers. It has in-depth information and built-in communication methods for us to assist their businesses by sharing information and data. TYM also has a new digital sales toolkit. This tablet-based toolkit is designed to effectively and interactively communicate our product and services using new interactive 3D environments and machinery models. This will assist our dealers and our TYM teams in presenting TYM and its offerings and be an indispensable tool for our future events and trade shows. This new industry-leading experience will give us the ability to showcase the terrains and jobs on which TYM machine performs. It can show details of tractor model and specification and ultimately help present, consult, and advise customer. We have iPads with this new toolkit ready today, and our dealers will be receiving them soon. What a fantastic day of announcement. We hope you all have been inspired by today's news. I want to thank all of you for making TYM the company it is today. And join us as we journey into tomorrow.